Hey everyone, welcome back to the Xena Insider. If you're looking to boost your e-commerce sales, you're in the right place. Today we are diving into how AI-powered tools can help you supercharge your online store's performance. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it is a game changer for e-commerce businesses. Here are 7 ways AI can help you boost your sales and stay ahead of the competition. First up, personalized customer experiences. AI tools can analyze customer behavior and preferences, allowing you to offer personalized product recommendations. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also increases the chances of making a sale. Platforms like Amazon and Netflix have mastered this, and you can too. For instance, tools like Nosto and Dynamic Yield helps e-commerce stores provide tailored shopping experiences which can significantly boost conversion rates. Next, let's talk about optimizing pricing strategies. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, competitor pricing, and customer demand in real time. This helps you adjust your prices dynamically to stay competitive and maximize profits. Tools like Pricing and Intelligence Node are fantastic for implementing dynamic pricing strategies in your e-commerce stores. Third, enhancing customer support. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and support. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your team to focus on more complex issues. Chatbot platforms like Drift and Intercom can help you set up intelligent bots that can handle a wide range of customer service tasks. Fourth, improving inventory management. AI tools can predict demand and optimize inventory levels, reducing the risk of stockouts or overstocking. This ensures you have the right products available at the right time. Solutions like Inventory Planner and TradeGecko leverage AI to help you maintain optimal inventory levels, keeping your customers happy and your costs low. Next, analyzing customer feedback. AI can analyze reviews, social media, and other customer feedback to provide insights into what customers love and what they don't. This allows you to make informed decisions about product improvements and new offerings. Tools like Xena Foresight, Monkey Learn, and Lexalytics can help you turn your customer feedback into actionable insights. Sixth, improving product listing optimizations. AI can help you create compelling product descriptions, titles, and images, in some cases, that attract more customers. Our product, Xena Foresight, uses AI to analyze and optimize your product listings, ensuring they stand out and convert better. With Xena Foresight, you can leverage AI to enhance your product listings and boost your sales effortlessly. Finally, enhancing ad performance. AI can optimize your ad campaigns by analyzing performance data and making real-time adjustments to maximize ROI. Your Xena 360 product uses AI to manage and optimize your ad spend across multiple platforms, ensuring you get the best results from your advertising efforts. With Xena 360, you can ensure your ads are performing at their best, driving more traffic and sales to your e-commerce store thanks to the power of AI. So to recap, here are 7 ways you can boost your e-commerce sales. Personalized customer experiences, optimizing pricing strategies, enhancing customer support, improving inventory management, analyzing customer feedback, improving product listing optimization, and enhancing ad performance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more tips and strategies on growing your e-commerce business. And if you have any questions on any topics and you'd like to cover, drop them in the comments. And until next time, keep innovating and driving your business forward.